As you begin to use Zapier, one of the things you'll want to do is to think creatively about how you might use a particular integration. And typically, when you combine one or two of the applications, you may find a relationship there. For example, the custom form application JotForm also has a relationship with GoToWebinar through Zapier. We're going to explore this relationship in this Zap. We're first going to click Create this Zap. The trigger is going to be a new submission, so we're then going to click Continue. We're going to make sure that we have at least one submission created so that we can run the test, and then we'll click Fetch and Continue. Our test should be successful. We'll then click Continue. And now what we're going to do is we're going to create a new registrant inside of a GoToWebinar. We're going to test our connection with GoToWebinar, and then we're going to save and continue. We'll fill in the required information, and then we'll click Continue. We'll then send the test to GoToWebinar, and then we'll click Finish. Our Zap is then officially turned on, and our test was successful in placing the individual on GoToWebinar. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.